Silver soars as dollar cracks, BRICS, SWIFT, and the future of money. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Smart Silver Stacker, October 20, 2024. In dramatic market movements this past week, silver has surged past the $33 mark, experiencing a remarkable rise of over 6% in a single day. This is not just a minor fluctuation. It marks the highest level for the precious metal in over a decade. This impressive rally comes alongside fresh turbulence in the US dollar index, DXY, leading many analysts to speculate about the future trajectory of both silver and the broader financial landscape. The recent rally in silver is compelling. As it broke the $33 barrier, many saw it not just as an isolated event but a potential signal for a larger market breakout. Historically, silver has been viewed as a safe haven asset, often moving inversely to the performance of the US dollar. The dollar index, which recently displayed signs of wearing down after a month-long ascent, suggests growing uncertainty in the greenback's dominance. As the dollar began to show signs of weakness, investors are looking for shelter in precious metals, particularly silver. Why? Silver's dual nature, as both an industrial metal and a store of value, makes it a particularly attractive option in times of economic instability. Investors are increasingly realizing that with the global economy becoming more intertwined and fragile, holding tangible assets like silver can provide a hedge against inflation and currency depreciation. The decline of the US dollar has significant implications for silver and other precious metals. A weaker dollar generally increases demand for commodities priced in dollars, making them cheaper for holders of other currencies. This scenario can drive up prices further, prompting a surge in investment interest. Moreover, as the dollar weakens, hedge funds and other institutional investors may turn to silver as a hedge against economic uncertainty. As we watch these shifts unfold, it's essential to recognize how interconnected global markets are. The US dollar has long held the status of the world's reserve currency. But recent trends suggest the potential for a gradual erosion of that dominance. Should the dollar continue to decline, precious metals like silver could see significant upward price momentum. Adding another layer to this intricate financial tapestry are comments from Russian President Vladimir Putin ahead of the BRICS summit. Putin's statements indicate a shift away from the US dollar in global trade, with discussions of alternatives to the SWIFT payment system coming to the forefront. Such developments suggest a coordinated effort by non-Western nations to establish a new financial infrastructure that bypasses traditional US-dominated systems. If major economies, particularly those in the BRICS group, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, successfully create an alternative economic framework, it could lead to a more multipolar world in terms of currency usage. A decline in reliance on the dollar could diminish its value and pave the way for precious metals to serve as alternative stores of value in a world where fiat currencies become more volatile. The confluence of the silver surge, the weakening dollar, and geopolitical shifts presents a compelling narrative. We may be witnessing the early stages of a significant financial transition. As investors keep a close watch on these developments, silver's recent surge seems to be just the beginning of a much larger trend. In conclusion, the current financial landscape is ripe with potential shifts, fueled by both market dynamics and geopolitical tensions. The implications of these changes could set the stage for a new era in global finance, one where silver and other precious metals play an increasingly pivotal role. As we move forward, the next few months may reveal whether silver's breakout is the start of something much larger. Only time will tell. Watch the video below from Smart Silver Stacker for further insights. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: dinarrecaps.com